In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cyberghost on Linux using the OpenVPN protocol. Let's dive right in and make sure that you're securely connected in no time. To begin, head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. This is your jumping off point to initiate the setup process. Once you're there, look for the My Account section. Clicking on this will prompt you to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, now would be a good time to set one up. Having an account is essential to access all the features and downloads that Cyberghost offers. With your account at the ready, proceed to the login page and sign in. After logging in, you will find yourself at the Cyberghost home. From here, you'll want to locate the Download Hub. This hub is your resource center for downloading everything you need to get Cyberghost up and running on your system. Once inside the Download Hub, look for the Desktop Apps section. Within this category, you'll find the option for various operating systems. Since we're focusing on Linux, be sure to select Linux from the options provided. This step ensures that you access the specific resources and files tailored for Linux installations. After selecting Linux, you'll be presented with a download link for the required software. The OpenVPN files are here amid various other necessary installation files. Download these files to a location on your computer that's easy to access, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder. With the software downloaded, it's time to dive into the installation process. Depending on your Linux distribution, you might use different commands or installation methods. However, generally, you'll open your terminal, navigate to the download location, and use the command line to initiate the installation. Ensure you have the appropriate administrative privileges by using commands such as sudo to grant the necessary access rights. Once you follow the prompts in your terminal and finalize the installation, your next step is to configure your OpenVPN connections. Use the configuration files provided during the download to set up your VPN preferences. This might involve editing configuration files or using network management tools within your Linux environment to input the necessary settings. After configuring your settings, you're ready to connect. Using the terminal or your network manager, activate the VPN connection. A successful connection will typically display a notification or status update to confirm that you're securely connected. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now set up and safely surfing the internet using Cyberghost on your Linux machine. Remember, if you run into any problems or have specific questions regarding your Linux distribution, check Cyberghost's support forums or reach out to their customer support for specialized guidance. Thank you for watching and enjoy your secure browsing.